Hey kids, Vita day 12. I'm recording this actually before I go to bed because I'm really tired and I want those extra 2 minutes of sleep in the morning, so this might be a little... I'm not drunk. It might sound like I am, but I'm not actually drunk. I believe today we're supposed to be talking about things that we wish somebody had told us before we got into a certain situation. And I can only really think of two because I tend to research just about everything before I do it to a ridiculous extent. The two that I could think of, I wish that they had told me on the first day of high school that if there was anything that I wanted to do in high school, any clubs I wanted to join, any extracurricular activities that I wanted to do, that I had to sign up for them that day, because if I didn't sign up for them that day, I wasn't going to get into the right crowd and therefore would not be able to do those things at a later date. Yeah, I kind of got screwed out of doing some stuff in high school that I would have liked to do, but oh well. And then the other one, it's kind of a two-parter. I wish that somebody had told me exactly how much doing a show on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday nights fucks with your sleep schedule. We're in the last week of Hamlet, and I don't know what day it is anymore, really. I go into work in the morning and I have to ask people, is today Thursday? And they're like, yeah, it is. Because honestly, I don't know. It's so weird to do theater Tuesday through Thursday nights and then not on the weekends. I wish that somebody had told me exactly how much that's going to mess with you. Then the other sort of bit about Hamlet is I wish somebody had told me how much doing Hamlet was going to make my heart hurt. Yes, it's a tragedy. No great big shocker there. I played Gertrude. The way that we interpreted it, anyway, is in that very last scene. She thought that her son was gone and dead, but he's not. Hamlet apologizes to Laertes on stage, and she was sort of able to salvage a bit of a funeral for Ophelia. So maybe things will be okay, is kind of where Gertrude's coming from. She's like, things really got horrible there for a little while, but maybe things are going to be okay. And then she dies. Her husband hands her a cup with poison in it, and she drinks it. So part of it is her own stupidity for drinking it in the first place. Part of it is her husband's assholishness for poisoning the cup. She doesn't really get to settle anything with Hamlet before she actually dies. So the play ends with Gertrude completely unsatisfied and completely wrong. She doesn't get any sort of closure or resolution. And I figured out a little while ago that probably the best thing for me to do after a show is to hug one of my castmates. I just need a little bit of positive human contact after a show to help me get back out of it. Leave the stage on stage, go back to your normal life. One thing I mentioned in the yodeling video is that I don't know how to ask for help when I need it, so I've gotten pretty bad at asking my castmates for hugs when I leave. The other really weird thing about doing a show on Tuesday through Thursday nights is with most other shows that happen on weekends, like you go to the theater on Friday night and then most people don't have to work on Saturday, so as a cast, you might go out afterwards and have a couple drinks and bond, whatever, do crazy stuff. But since this is weeknights and a lot of us have to get up and work in the morning, we haven't been hanging out extracurricularly with each other as much, and I love this cast. I love everybody in this cast. I would love to hang out with everybody in this cast. They have me in stitches downstairs talking about how Hamlet should be a honey badger and Rosencrantz should play it like a stoned panda, and today it was all about butt snacks downstairs, and it's hilarious, and I love these people. They're great, they're awesome, but we don't go out afterwards because it's a Tuesday night, and what are you going to do on a Tuesday night when you have to be at work at 7:30 in the morning the next day? And we will all be drinking on Saturday night after that show, so that will be fun, and I'm almost positive I'll be able to get a hug then, so that's good. Anyway, it's late, I'm tired. I will see you all later. Good night.